easier for you to understand how you can make a certain amount of money online by doing the math. And this example, you can see it says how to make $1 million, but it doesn't have to be $1 million. You can do this breakdown with any figure, math figure. So basically here, I'm going to look at the bottom half. It says 5,000 people. If you get 5,000 people to pay $17 a month for 12 months, you'll make $1 million, right? If you get 2,000 people to pay $42 a month for 12 months, you'll have $1 million. 1,000 people to pay $83 a month for 12 months, you'll have $1 million. If you get 500 people to pay $167 a month, and this is products, whatever you're selling, a month for 12 months, right? And so on. And so let me just give an example here with SFI. We have something called Ecommergy, right? This came out in April of this year, and Ecommergy is basically for and by e-commerce entrepreneurs. It's a site for and by e-commerce entrepreneurs, right? And we have articles, videos, audios from all across the web giving expert advice on different subjects, right? So if you have, I'm going to go all the way down now, you can also have a subscription for yourself if you want to become EA status for 1,500 Versa points. You can have a $29.97 premium subscription for yourself. All right, automatically you'll be EA, executive affiliate. But for this video, I'm going to go into the math and show you what I just showed you in the previous picture there with the making $1 million in 12 months. Here's the breakdown of the packages, right? So now we had here, for example, 5,000 people pay $17 a month for 12 months. 2,000 people pay $42 a month for 12 months. Now right here, if you get, when you get someone to pay a $29.97 monthly subscription, that's $20 a month commissions for you. Okay? You've already covered the $17 a month and more. All you need is 5,000 people to get that. You'll have over $1 million in 12 months. And another example, for the $42 a month, let's say you get somebody to pay for the $69.97 monthly premium subscription. You'll have over that, $46.67 a month. That's your $42 a month already. You get two of those. That's $83 a month right there. That's 1,000 people. All you need is 1,000 people with two of those. That's all you need, right? Here's one for the $40, $59.97 a month. You get, this is exactly $40, but you have two of those. You only need 2,000 people to pay $42 a month. Okay, for 12 months, you'll be at $1 million. So this is just an example of how you can break down the numbers and do the math and have a goal on how much you want to make a month. Now the Ecommergy subscription looks like this. You have different articles every day explaining how to make videos, This one here is 30 plus fantastic business courses for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Major benefits of content curation. Here is 7 welcome email examples. How to write great welcome emails. Alright. This is a great subscription for all entrepreneurs, and anyone can use this advice when they need to. Okay? So, you just want to break down the numbers to see how much you can make, or you want to make monthly, how much you want to bring in. You could do this with $10,000 a month. If you want to make $5,000 a month, all you have to do is break down the numbers. And that was just basically, that one was just for $1 million. So I hope that is helpful for you. I just wanted to give that quick tip on how to break down the math on what you can do to make a monthly income every month. And okay, I hope that was helpful. You can do this, as you can see. It's not that hard. It's easy. It's doable. All right, but you have to do the work. You have to do the work, and I'll see you on the next video. And remember, you must hustle.